Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I'm going to show you a bath powder, which is a foaming bath powder using some ingredients that is easily available in your kitchen. You don't have to buy ingredients online or in a shop to make this bath powder. These are the ingredients which are easily available in your kitchen and which you use for your cooking daily. But these are so good that it can be used into bathing powder. So here I have coconut powder and saunf, which I am going to roast it in a tawa. This makes the powder more easy to use, and this will last longer when you store it in a container. So here I am using this leftover saunf, which I had used to make the saunf toner. So if you don't have that leftover, you can use a fresh saunf also. I am taking 2 tablespoons of this, which I am going to roast. This gives the perfect aroma for the bath powder. You can also use certain ingredients which is easily available for you in your kitchen if you don't have saunf, like for example even kashkash. And after roasting it into crisp, you have to turn off the stove and add the coconut powder. If you have dry skin, then this coconut powder would help to keep your dry skin away. You can adjust the quantity of ingredients according to your skin type. So as I explained in the video, you can see which quantity is good for which skin type. So this powder or this roasted is ready. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oats powder. Oats, which I'm going to make it into powder. So oats is good for sensitive skin. If you're super sensitive, then you can increase the quantity of oats, keep the other ingredients less. So here I'm going to add it in a mixer jar and grind it into fine powder. So this is ready. This can also be used directly without straining it or separating the fine from the coarse powder. But here I'm going to do that because I am going to use the separate fine powder as my face pack. Otherwise, you can just keep the whole powder as a bath powder only. Once you separate this into fine powder and coarse powder, you can store this in different containers and keep it in there for at least 2 to 3 months without getting spoiled. You can use it accordingly. If you want to use it as a face pack, you can use the fine powder. You can also add a few skin loving ingredients like turmeric or even sandalwood powder or any other ingredient which you would like. I will make a video on that also, making a face pack or using this powder. So you can add different things for different types. So here the coarse powder is ready. For this I am going to add a few other ingredients. Suppose if you have a dry skin, very dry skin, then you can add a bit of coconut oil for each of this whenever you want to use. If you have oily skin, then add multani mitti when you use as a face pack. So this is the base powder which you can change according to your skin type. Now the bath powder is ready, and for my skin type and for my use, I'm just adding a 1/4 teaspoon of haldi or turmeric. This would help to give that brightening glow to the skin. To use it, just take 1 teaspoon of this powder. You can also take 1.5 teaspoon depending on how much you would want to use. To this I am adding 1 tablespoon of rose water to mix it. Rose water helps to maintain the pH balance of the skin. If you want, you can also add water or yogurt to mix this. The next ingredient would be a few drops of baby shampoo. This would give the foaming effect for the bath powder. You can also use body shampoo if you have. You can just add a few drops of it and mix everything thoroughly. This is just to ensure that the mixture, when used on the body, it can easily glide through your skin and do the job of foundation. So once you have mixed everything, take a little bit on your hand. Once you have damped your skin, just take this mixture and rub it in a circular motion so that all the dead skin cells or the dry skin gets exfoliated and it reveals smooth and glowing skin. You don't have to use soap. This bath powder does the job of soap without irritating or drying your skin or stripping your skin of natural oil. So this is very good during winters. You can use it other times also. So try this and see how it works for you. This is made of all simple and easily available ingredients from your kitchen. And if you like more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, please share it. And thanks for watching.